This question is a merging ratios question, and we want to find the ratio of A to B to C. And we've got the ratio of A to B, which is 1 to 3, and the ratio of B to C, which is 6 to 5. And what you'll notice there is that B is in both. We're able to merge these ratios by getting the B component the same. Therefore, we're going to look for the same number that both 3 and 6 both go into. And what you'll notice, the same number that 3 and 6 both go into is 6. Therefore, we want both of these to become 6 in this ratio. For the second ratio, the B to C one, B is already 6. We don't need to do anything for that. But for the first ratio, B is 3. Therefore, we look at what do we times 3 by to get 6, and we multiply 3 by 2. Therefore, we multiply the A component by 2, so 1 times 2 then gives you 2. Now we merge the ratios, so the ratio of A to B to C is going to be 2 to 6, and C will be 5. Part 2 then says, express A as a fraction of the total of the three numbers A, B, C. So in this case, it's going to be A over the total. And the number of parts that are A are then 2. And the total number of parts we find by adding all of these together. So 2 plus 6 gives you 8, plus 5 then gives you 13. So it's 2 over 13. This is quite a tricky question. We're looking for the ratio of m to p, so we need to start by forming an equation of m in terms of p or p in terms of n. What you'll notice from the ratios that we're given is that n doesn't appear in this ratio here, but we are told that n is equal to 2m and p is equal to 5n. What I'm then going to do then is substitute in 2m for n in that second equation. So p, rather than being equal to 5m, it's going to be 5 lots of 2m. So p is then equal to 5 times 2m is 10m. So if we're looking for our ratio of m to p, and on our equation here it tells us that 1p is equal to 10m, that then tells you that p is 10 times bigger than m. So I'm going to let m be 1, and p is going to be 10 times bigger, so p is 10 and m is 1.